अब हर घर नल का जल का काम इतना दूर तक पूरा हो गया है।
We checked each case one by one. Then what we found in some districts, some of the major contracts are allotted to the kins or direct relatives or the close associates of people with political connections. And the first part, as you saw, it had gone to the family and relatives of Bihar Deputy Chief Minister Tarkeshwar Prasad.
Har Ghar Nal Ka Jal, Bihar's SHOPI scheme launched by Chief Minister Nitish Kumar 5 years ago to ensure drinking water for the poor through taps right at their homes, has been a success on many counts. Under the scheme, drinking water is supplied for 2 hours each in the morning, afternoon, and evening. The scheme has so far covered 95% of the target 1.08 lakh panchayat wards. However, an investigation by the Indian Express has revealed that implementation of the scheme was also marked by political patronage in the award of contracts. The 4-month-long investigation has found that the top of the list are family members and aides of Deputy Chief Minister Tarkeshwar Prasad, who got projects worth Rs 53 crore under the scheme.
When we got the first lead about that, the Bihar Deputy Chief Minister Tarkeshwar Prasad having got contracts for his daughter-in-law, then we went to the field and what we found, Pooja Kumari, who is daughter-in-law, got contracts in a panchayat called Bhavara Panchayat in Katiyar in 4 wards. And Deep Kiran Infrastructure Private Limited, which is company of Pradeep Kumar Bhagat, who is brother-in-law of the Deputy Chief Minister, his company works in 9 wards. And another company, Jeevan Sri Infrastructure Private Limited, it got maximum work, and it is said to be a dummy company. All its directors are Patna-based. We went to the field, to the side, talked to the people about the quality of work. It was mixed. We cannot say all quality of work. In most cases, work was incomplete. In some cases, water supply was erratic. In some cases, work was not complete. So even though government claims that 90-95% work is done, but field reports do not suggest that. We spoke to the PHED Minister Rampreet Paswan yesterday. He said, if there are any specific allegations, we will certainly look into it. He was quite categorical about it. He said there is no rule in the country which can stop the relatives of politicians from getting the contract. If he or she qualifies in the bidding, in the tendering process, he would get it. But if somebody comes up, okay, I have not got this contract because somebody else with political clout, political approach has got it, then we'll certainly, if the rules are not followed in the tendering process, we'll definitely look into it. Late evening, there was a sudden meeting of BJP, which was attended by Deputy Chief Minister Tarkeshwar Prasad, BJP State President Dr. Sanjay Jaiswal, BJP General Secretary Organization Bikubai Dalsania. It was not scheduled, and what we learned, it was about the findings Express wrote about yesterday, and I think a report about that meeting has been sent to the central BJP, I think today. So some kind of political development is there. Let us see what happens.
इस मौजूदा सरकार में एक ही काम हो रहा है, सरकारी खजाने को लूटो, जनता के अधिकार को लूटो, गरीब के अधिकार को लूटो, आपदा पीड़ितों के अधिकार को लूटो, केवल ऊपर से नीचे केवल भ्रष्टाचार ही आपको नजर आएगा। ये मामला जो उनके बेटे और बहू को 53 करोड़ रुपए काम देने की है, ये तो जांच का विषय है।